Hello everyone, welcome to my channel EPA's Biology class. Today I am going to discuss about cell discovery, far from the chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. In the 17th century, Robert Hooke, a talented English scientist, made a remarkable discovery that would change the course of biology forever. Armed with a rudimentary microscope, Hooke turned his attention to a thin slice of cork taken from the bark of an oak tree. As he peered through the magnifying lens, a world of hidden wonders unfolded before his eyes. What Crook saw astounded him. The cork was just a lifeless material. It was composed of countless tiny compartments, each resembling a cell in a honeycomb. Hooke was struck by their resemblance to the cell inhabited by monks in a monastery, and he coined the term cell to describe this structure. In 1665, Hooke published his finding in a book titled Micrographia, which contained detailed illustrations and descriptions of his observation. His work provided the first visual evidence of cells and laid the groundwork for the field of microscopy and cell biology. Hooke's discovery of cells marked a turning point in our understanding of the natural world. Attorney Van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch tradesman with a deep curiosity for the microscopic world, is credited with discovering living cells. In the 17th century, Leeuwenhoek crafted highly advanced microscopes, even more powerful than those available at the time, enabling him to peer into the realms of the incredibly small. Leeuwenhoek's curiosity led him to examine various samples, including water from ponds and his own dental plaque. In 1674, he directed his microscope towards a drop of water taken from a pond. To his astonishment, he observed teeny lively creatures about darting. These were single-celled organisms such as protozoa that he referred to as animalcules. He meticulously documented his observation, including sketches and descriptions. In letters to the Royal Society of London. This letter detailed the various forms of life he discovered under his microscope, from bacteria-like organisms to sperm cell. Leeuwenhoek's discoveries were groundbreaking because he was the first to directly observe and describe living organisms, providing crucial evidence for the existence of microscopic life. Leeuwenhoek's pioneering work laid the foundations for microbiology and contributed significantly to our understanding of the diversity of life at the microscopic level. His dedication to observation and documentation transformed the way we perceive the hidden world of living cell. Robert Brown, a Scottish botanist, made a significant contribution to the understanding of cells in the early 19th century. His discovery was not about the existence of cells themselves, but a rather crucial component within the cell. In 1831, while examining plants cells under a microscope, Brown noticed something peculiar within the cell. He observed tiny, dark, and opaque structure that appeared to be suspended in the fluid. He documented his observations of this structure, which he named nuclei, referred to their central position within the cell. Brown's observations of nuclei added a new layer of understanding to the structure of cell. His work not only provided valuable insight into the nature of plant cell, but also laid the groundwork for the future explorations of the cell, internal components and their function. This discovery of nuclei by Robert Brown played a pivotal role in advancing the field of all biology and paved the way for future discovery in the realm of cellular structure and function. In 1839, Purkinje introduced the term protoplasm. To emphasize its central role in cellular structure and function. His work contributed to the understanding of the fundamental living material within cell and played a significant role in the development of a cell biology. That much for today. Later, we will continue the chapter in the next part of our video. Like, share and subscribe.